you been looking for a solution to lock sliding coolroom doors? With more cold rooms utilising universal sliding door systems, we're asked for solutions to make cold rooms both secure and safe. The all-new CRH series sliding door lock is the first of its kind in Australia. With an install time of minutes, the CRH lock features a fully compliant one-action inside safety release, glow-in-the-dark inside warning sticker, and outside operation instruction sticker. The CRH 268R 75K door lock suits a 75mm panel, and the larger CRH 268R 100K is for the 100mm panel. Supplied with 2 keys and the mounting fasteners, you can now have a super solution to lock your sliding doors. Brilliant! Visit our website for more information: www.crh.com.au.